Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing the WheelShine Super from Nerta. This is an alkaline based wheel cleaner. Now, to jump straight into it, as you guys can see, my Captiva, the wheels are extremely dirty, and this makes for good test subject again for real world application, real world use of how this product works. I think I need to start off with how I used it initially, and so I generally prefer to lay down like a good layer of foam on the wheels. Then I'd use my wheel brushes along with a few other products to clean off the wheel and the wheel arches, the tires, as clean as possible. I took this is going to be the second time I've used this, and I applied it I did a 1:10 dilution ratio in the foam cannon, put it on, and found that it didn't work as well as what I would have liked it to work. So I reached out to the gentleman that brings us in to South Africa, explained to me exactly what I did, and he's like, okay, you know what? And there was a reason why I actually reached out to him, because I wanted to make sure that I have a full understanding as to how this product needs to be used, and obviously then inform you guys so that you also have an informed, a proper, detailed and informed tutorial how this can be used and how you can get the best out of it. So he told me, and you just need to bear with me. This is my dog Ollie. He's a mix between a Boerboel and a Rottweiler. So yeah, he's still very much a puppy. He's now 12 years old, so very clingy. So if you see him in the videos, just put in the comment section below, say hi Ollie. So yeah, yes boy. Anyway, so what Pavan said to me was, this needs to be applied direct. You mustn't dilute it. You spray it onto the surface, and then you give it at least a minimum of 2 minutes, and then you use a pressure cleaner. Now you can use a hose pipe, but obviously using a hose pipe, you're not going to get the proper pressure that you need to really work in conjunction with this product to get the best out of it. When I did it the second time around, I promise you I was really impressed with regards to the result that I got. I honestly believe I got about close to between 80 and 90% of most of the dirt, the grime, tar, brake dust, everything off the tire and off the wheel and the tires. And I think what it does is it challenges the conventional way in which we clean our cars, and also the foaming, how the foam clings. Generally what I found is, because I've used the Carnage shampoo as well, I find it doesn't foam up as much, and every single manufacturer will have their own means and ways of how they want to have the product react. I know generally in the detailing world we prefer a much more thick, much more sudsy kind of formula, and I also prefer that because then the longer the foam clings onto the surface, the more I can use it to agitate and clean and get the best result. This will be available via MD Workshop as well. The 500ml, 1 liter, and I think there is a 5 liter of this as well. Let's jump into cleaning up this wheel. So as you guys can see, I think it's cleaned about roughly 85%. There's just a little bit of it requires a little bit more agitation. It's a little bit more hard, as you guys can see there. Generally everywhere else is nice and clean. I got rid of everything. So yeah, I really like this product. I'm gonna go on to the other side where the sun is shining, and you'll actually be able to see on the back wheel as well how good this product works. So let's go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Alright guys, so as you can see, a lot of it is dry, so you don't want to have the product dry on the wheel. That's just going to etch and it might just burn through the clear, cause a whole lot of marks and unnecessary work for yourself. So this has just been over a minute, like 1 minute and 30 seconds roughly there, so I'm going to rinse this off. Again, I think it's cleaned about roughly 85%. There's small little bits and pieces where there's still a little bit of dirt here, a little bit of dirt there, like here in this nooks and crannies. There's one over here, inside there. So this is where your detail brushes will come in handy if you really want to clean this properly. Obviously, long wheel brush will work perfectly for the inner barrels. But I think for just a quick clean, and especially for your trucking services, bus services, this product works best in that environment. So there you go guys, as you can see, this is a brilliant product. There were no schemes, there's no funny tricks that I employed. I showed you guys from beginning to end exactly how I got this amazing result. I am busy sweating all the food and fat I ate when we were on holiday. We in Johannesburg, we're currently having a heat wave. It is extremely hot, and I think I'm gonna go back inside now, and I'll clean the rest of the car later on when the sun has come down a little bit more. But I just wanted to quickly record this, show you guys exactly what is happening, and again, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I would really love to hear your thoughts. So with that said guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so, please consider clicking that subscribe button, then hit that notification bell that we won't miss any of my future uploads. If you enjoyed this, let me know by hitting the thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if you have a friend, colleague, family member, work colleague that you know that's into detailing cars and stuff, I would really ask you and implore you guys to perhaps share this. I'm sure they would appreciate this information. And as usual guys, most importantly to you and your loved ones, please stay safe out there. I'll see you on the next video.